Okay, good afternoon to one and all. Today we are discussing about sum of the subset problem. It is sum of the subset problem. Suppose there are n distinct positive numbers. It is usually called weights. It is distinct n distinctive positive numbers. To find the combination of all these numbers, find the all the combination of these numbers whose sum equal to m, all the combination of the sum whose sum equal to m is called sum of the subset problem. What is to formulate this problem? We are using either fixed size tuples or variable size tuples. That is the first one, fixed size tuples. First we are discussing about fixed variable size tuples. That is the variable size tuples means the solution, the solution is represented by variable size. That is the variable size. Next one, the solution represented by fixed size. That is, for example, that is n equal to 4. N equal to 4. That is n equal to 4 means that is n equal to 4 means the total number of elements, that is the total number of elements is 4. The total number of elements is 4. Find the subset, that is they find the subset of elements, that is they find the subset of elements whose sum equal to 31. Subset of it is find the sum of the elements whose sum equal to 31. Actually in our problem it is the sum of first, second and fourth element is equal to 31. Next second one is sum of third, fourth element is equal to 31. But here we are having only two solutions, that is we are having only two solutions. The sum of first, second and seventh element equal to 31. So solution is 1 2 4. Next the second solution, that is the second solution is the sum of, it is the sum of third and fourth element is equal to 31. That is sum of third and fourth element is equal to 31. So in sum of subset problem, this sum of the subset problem, suppose you have having four elements, though the subset of four elements, that is the subset of four elements is 4 factorial, that is sorry 2 power 4, that equal to 16, that is 2 power 4, that equal to 16 subsets, that is including null set, that is including null set in variable size representation, including null set, that is including null set, the total number of subset in four elements is 16. So first one is null set, next 1 2 3 4, and next one 1 2 1 1 sorry 2 3 3 4 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 2 3 1 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. But in all 16 subsets, that is in all 16 subsets, find the subset of elements whose sum equal to 31. In totally 16 subsets, that is in totally 16 subsets, that is totally 16 subsets, the sum of it is the sum of the elements, that is the sum of the elements is equal to 60 sorry 31, that is the sum of the elements is equal to uh, sum of the elements equal to 31. So totally 16 subsets, that is including pi set and all elements, that is 1 2 3 4 is also one of the subset. So totally 16 subsets, that is in 16 subset is represented by solution space tree. That is in backtracking, that is in backtracking all possible solutions, that is all possible solutions is represented by solution space tree. So totally 16, the 16 possible solutions is represented by solution space tree. Already we are discussing. Suppose the first node, that is the first node represents null set, the first node represent here null set. Next one, second node represents 1, it is 1 means that is subset 1, it is subset including only first element. Next third node represents subset equal to 2. Fourth node represents subset equal to 3, and fifth node represents subset 4. This means x1 equal to 1, x1 equal to 2, x1 equal to 3, x1 equal to 4. Means we are including only first element, that is the second node represent, that is the second node represents we are including only first element in the sum. Next third node represents we are including only second element in the sum, that is second element means 13. Next fourth node represent, that is the fourth node represents, we are including only 24, that is third element in the sum. Next fourth element is represent, you are including only fourth element in the sum, that is fourth element in the sum is 7. So second node represents sum equal to 11, third node represent sum equal to 13, fourth node represents sum equal to 24, and fifth node represents sum equal to 7. The first node represents sum equal to 0 because first node represents pi node. That is, pi node means you are not including any element in the sum. You are not including any element in the sum. So first node represent pi. Next second node represent 1. Third node represent 2. Fourth node represent 3. Fifth node represent 4. Sum equal to first node represent, second node represent, first node represent 0. Second node represent 11. Third node represent 13, fourth node represent 24, fifth node represent 4. So next, you are representing 1 2, that is suppose in subset, that is in subset 1 2, next one 1 3 1 4, that is suppose 1 2, that is sixth node represent 1 2, that is sixth node represent 1 2, are not mentioned here. Sixth node represent 1 2, seventh node represent 1 3, eighth node represent 1 4, that is eighth node represent 1 4. Suppose sixth node, that is the sixth node means, that is the sixth node means the sum of the first two elements. The sum of the first two elements means the sum of the first two elements, that is 11 plus 13. 11 plus 13 only 24, that is 64 represents 24. Next seventh node, that is the seventh node represent sum of first element and third element. It is the first element and third element means it represents sum of the first element and third element, that is 11th plus 24, it is 35. The seventh node represents 35. Next eighth node, that is the eighth node represents sum of first element and fourth element, that is the first element is 11, fourth element is 7, totally 18. So so eighth node represents totally sum equal to 18. Seventh node represents sum equal to 35, that is first node and third node. Sixth node represents the sum of first two elements, 24. So next one 2 3, that is 3 is one of the subset, that is 2 3 is one of the 2 3, and next one 2 4, 2 3 2 4, that is 2 3 2 4 represent, that is 2 3 2 4, 2 3 represented by ninth node, 2 4 represented by 10th node, that is 2 3 means the sum of the first second element and third element, that equal to 13 plus 13 plus 24 37. And next one 10th node represent, that is 10th node represents sum of second element and fourth element, that equal to 20. Next one same 11th node represents sum of third element and fourth element, 24 plus 7 31, it equal to our sum equal to 31. Next one fourth node, it is represents only 7. And next one 15th node, that is the 15th node represents the sum of 2 3 4, it is 2 3 4 means sum of 13 24 and 7, that is 20, totally 45. So first your possible solutions, that is the all the possible solutions is represented by solution space tree, that is the all the possible solutions, that is the all the possible solutions is represented by solution space tree. That is the solution space tree, that is the solution space tree. So the solution space tree totally 16 nodes. So you are search the solutions answer node, that is you are search the answer node in solution space tree by using backtracking, that is by using backtracking. In backtracking we are using only one method, that is the expanded node, that is the expanded node is generated, the live node first generate the children, the live node generate the children. After the children is fully expanded, the live node is expanded node, the expanded node generate another children. So the first node first generate the children 2, the first node first generate the children 2, the second node is fully expanded, the second node is fully expanded means the second node is generate all its childrens, and the first node generate another children, third children, that is the third node is fully expanded means the third node generate all its childrens, it generate another children, fourth children. The same procedure used for all the nodes in the tree. So finally you are finding it is the finally you are finding the solution answer node, that is the answer node in our problem. It is there are two answer node, that is first second fourth, that is first second fourth means first second fourth means 13th node is one answer node because 11 plus 13 plus 7 31. So 13th node is one answer node, and next one is 11th node is one answer node, that is 24 plus 7 31. But you are search the solution, that is search the answer node in solution space tree by using backtracking, that is by using backtracking only. You are using backtracking. In backtracking you are using the method, first the live node generate the children, the live node generate the children, it became expanded node, the children node is fully expanded, and the live node the expanded node generate another children. So same procedure already we are discussing in previous class, that is the previous class. Same the same, that is the same node the same procedure used in the same procedure used in previous 4 queen problem by by searching solutions searching solution space tree by using backtracking method. Okay, suppose the solution space tree, here the solution space tree, first sum equal to 0, first sum equal to 0, that is sum equal to 0 means first node, that is the first node is live node. See, so first sum equal to 0, it represented pi. Next, the live node, that is generate first children, second children, that is it generate first children, that is second children, second children, first generate second children, that is first generate second children, first node, the first node generate second children, that is first generate second children. So the second children means it x1 equal to 1, that is x1 equal to 1 means sum equal to 11, it now a answer node. Okay, the second node is now live node, the second node generate its children, that is the second node is generate its first children, second node generate it first children, that is sixth node, that is the sixth node is first node, it generate its children. So sixth node is after fully expanded sixth node, the second node generate another children. So these children of second node is sixth node, it represent 1 comma 2, that is 1 comma 2 means sum of first two elements, that is 1 means x1 equal to 1, next one x2 equal to 2, that is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2 means sum of first two elements, that is the first sum of first two elements is equal to 24. So it is not equal to 31. So the sixth node is, that is the sixth node is expanded, that is the sixth node is expanded means it generated children, that is the first children is 12th node, that is the 12th node in previous in previous solution space, it is same 12th node 6th node, it is the children is 12th node, that is the 12th node is first children. Now sum equal to 48, that is sum equal to 48 means sum of first three elements, that is the sum of the first three elements, that is sum of first three elements is equal to 48, that is 48 like greater than 31. So the 12th node is killed, that is the 12th node cannot generate any answer node, so the 12th node cannot satisfy the criteria function. Suppose sum is greater than 31, that is the sum is greater than 31, the node is killed. Killed means the node cannot generate children. Actually the 12th node has another children, that is the 12th node has one children, that is 16th, but the 12th node cannot generate the children because it not satisfy the criteria function, because the sum of the elements is equal to less than 31, you can generate the another children. Suppose if the sum of the elements, that is the sum of the elements equal to greater than 31, kill the live node, that is the kill the live node, that is the 12th node is killed. Killed means the 12th node cannot generate its children because it not satisfy the criteria function. It not satisfy the criteria function means the sum of the first three elements is greater than 31. So you cannot generate you cannot find the answer node by generating its children, so 12th node is killed. So the 12th node is killed. So by backtracking, that is go back, it is sixth node, The sixth node generate another children, that is 13th node. That is the sixth node generate another children, 13th node means the 13th node represents the sum of first element, second element and fourth element. That is the sum of first element, second element and fourth element sum equal to 31. So answer, that is the sum of the sum subtree of elements is also equal to 31. So one of the answer node, that is the one of the answer node is 31, that is 1 comma 2 comma 4. That is the 1 comma 2 comma 4 is one of the solution. This the 1 comma 2 comma 4 is one of the solution. So 13th node is one answer node. The solution is 1 comma 2 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 4 means the sum of the elements, that is the sum of the elements is equal to 31. So one node is one answer node is 13th node. The sixth node is generate all its children. That is sixth node has only two children. That is in previous sixth node has only two children. So sixth node is fully expanded. That is the sixth node is fully expanded. So go back. That is by backtracking the second node. That is the second node generate another children. So in backtracking method, that is we have more than one solution. We have more than one solution. First we are finding one solution, that is the sum of the elements equal to 31. So by backtracking, that is by backtracking we are go back. It is the second node generate another children. The second node generate another children, that is seventh node. The seventh node represents the sum of first element and third element. That is the sum of the first element and third element is equal to 35. It also greater than 35. So seventh node cannot be generated children because it not satisfy the criteria function. If the sum of the elements is less than 31, you can generate another children. Actually the seventh node has another children, that is the seventh node has one children, that is 14th, but the seventh node is killed because it not satisfy the criteria function. It not satisfy the criteria function means the sum of the two elements is greater than 31. So 35 sum of first element and third element, that is sum of first element and third element is equal to 35. So 35 greater than 31. So the seventh node is killed. The seventh node cannot generate its children. So go back to second node, and the second node is generate another children, that is eighth node. So here eighth node means the eighth node represents 1 comma 4. The sum of the two elements, that is 1 comma 4 is 18. So the eighth node has no children, that is because in solution space tree, that is in solution space tree the eighth node has no children, that is the eighth node has no children. So the eighth node, that is sum equal to 18 less than 31. So eighth node has no children, so it not satisfy the criteria function. The second node is fully expanded. So the first children of first node is fully expanded. After fully expanded, that is the first children of first node is fully expanded and generate another children, that is after fully expanded it generate another children, that is it generate another children, that is this generate second children. So the second children satisfy, that is the second children means, that is 2 comma 3, that is uh, uh, 1 2 2, that is 2 means, that is 2 represents sum equal to 13, that is 2 means sum equal to 13. So now the live node, that is actually first node generated children. The children is fully expanded. That is if the children is fully expanded, after fully expanded by using backtracking, the first node generate another children. So now the children node is the child node is third node. The third node first generate its children. First children, that is ninth node, that is 9 represents 1 2 comma 3. Sum of 2 comma 3 is 37. 37 is greater than 31. It not satisfy the criteria function. So the ninth node is killed. That is the ninth node is killed because it not satisfy the criteria function. So the third node is by backtracking, that is by backtracking, by go back, and it the third node is generate another children, that is 10th node. So 10th node is means the sum of second element and fourth element. Sum of second element and fourth element is equal to 20. The 10th node has no children, that is in solution space tree, that is in solution space tree the 10th node has no children, that is the 10th node has no children, that is the 10th node has no children. And go back, that is and go back third node. The third node is fully expanded. The third node is fully expanded and go back to first node. The first node generate another children, that is fourth child, that is fourth children, uh, fourth children, that is it is now the third node is fully expanded, it is the third node is fully expanded. Go back. Back means backtracking. Next, the first node generate another children, that is the first node generate another children, that is fourth node. The fourth node means the sum equal to 24, that is there the third element equal to, that is the fourth node represents only single element, that is 3. 3 means 24. Next, the fourth node generated children, that is the fourth node generated children. The fourth node has only one children, at equal to 11th node. The 11th means 3 comma 4. The sum of the two elements, that is the sum of the two elements, that is the sum of the third element and fourth element is equal to 31. Here your another solution, that is your another solution, that is 2 comma 4, that is the sum of second and fourth element is also equal to 31. So here it satisfy the criteria function, that is it satisfy the criteria function. The sum of the two elements, that is the sum of the two elements is equal to 31, that is so the another answer node is 11th node, that is 2 comma 4, that is the another answer node is 2 comma 4, that is the 2 comma 4 is the another solution node. Sum equal to 31. Another solution is 2 comma sorry 3 comma 4, sorry 3 comma 4, that is the another answer node is 3 comma 4. The sum of the third element and fourth element is equal to 31. In our problem, sum equal to 31. So fourth node has only one child. So one child, it is fourth node is fully expanded and go back. The first node is generate another children. That is the another children is fifth node. The fifth node has no children. So sum equal to 7. 7 not satisfy the criteria function. Totally in our problem, it is totally in our problem, suppose there are only four elements, that is the four elements. It has 16 nodes in the 16 possible solution. In 16 possible solution, only two answer nodes, that is only two subset is satisfy the our function. The sum of the elements is equal to 31. Here 1 2 4, that is the 1 2 4 is one solution and next one is 3 4 is another solution. Here in sum of the set subset problem, solution is represented by the solution, that is the solution is represented by variable size, that is the solution is represented by variable size, that is variable size means every solution has different size. Here only single element, here two elements, here three elements, here four elements. So in sum of the subset problem, that is in sum of the subset problem, the first one is variable size representation. In variable size representation, the same variable size representation we are using fixed size representation. That is the fixed size representation means the fixed size representation means the elements which are considered in the sum is represented by 1. The elements which are considered in sum is represented in fixed size representation. In fixed size representation, the elements which is considered in the sum, it represented by 1. The elements which is not considered in the sum is represented by 0. Same, so for example, it is 5 set means, so no element is considered in the sum, it represented by 0 0 0. Here 1 means only first element is considered in the sum, it is in variable size representation. Here 1 means only first element is considered in the sum, the remaining three elements is considered to 0. Means same here 1, the remaining elements is considered to not considered in the sum, so it represented by 0. Here second element, that is set 2, that is set 2 means only second element is considered in the sum, So second element is considered in the sum. So the elements which are considered in the sum, that is the elements which are considered in the sum is represented by 1 and another is represented by 0. Suppose here you are consider 4 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements considered in the sum. So here same similarly in previous representation total possible solutions is 16, that is total possible solutions is 16. The 16 possible solutions is represented by solution space tree. Here it is the solution space tree. The first level represent x1, the second level represent x2, third level represent x3, fourth level represent x4. The every set from root node to leaf node represent one possible solution, that is x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1, x4 equal to 1. So totally 16 leaf nodes. Same by using backtracking, that is tomorrow we will discuss about we are finding the sub solution, that is we are finding the solution by using backtracking if the solution is represented by fixed size representation. Fixed size means the every solution has four elements. Suppose the element which is considered in this solution, considering the sum is represented by 1, the element which is not considered in the sum is represented by 0. So tomorrow we will discuss about some of the subset problem, fixed size representation. By using fixed size representation, by using backtracking, that is by using backtracking we are searching the solution, that is answer node. Same there are two answer nodes in previous representation. We are searching by using backtracking. So thank you.